Honor Buckle. Gift of Honor. A special gift for a true hero. Custom handmade in the USA. Proceeds benefit disabled veterans.
First wife, Dale Marie, since 1965. They have 2 adult children, 3 grandsons, and 3 great-grandchildren. Mr. Carney loves to play golf and ride motorcycle, but not at the same time. His favorite hobby is playing music with a good group of guys, gospel blues harmonica. Ladies and gentlemen, Ted Carney.
Today just happens to be the Marine Corps birthday, 235 years, and to that I say, hoo-yah! I want to tell you a little bit about the honor buckle. There's a purpose for the honor buckle that every person who has served in our military or our law enforcement or our firefighters have put their life on the line for you and I. And there's never been a way to say thank you in a very proper way. And the honor buckle is a very simple thing. It's a belt buckle in which the honored person's dog tag can go into. And I'll say a little bit about that during the presentation. The proceeds of honor buckle go to disabled veterans, wounded warriors, nonprofit organizations that support our military and go along with those things. So it's quite an honor to have one and quite an honor to wear one. Each honor buckle is handmade by a custom jeweler, which means they take a long time to make each one. We do have a few of them on hand, and we always keep a few of them on hand. But if you wanted one that we did not have at the current time, you would have to wait between 8 and 9 weeks to get it. So it's not something that is over the counter. Each one is individually handmade. They all look alike, but each one's individual. Now what I'd like to do is to, at this time, call up Mrs. Eleanor Nakis. And I'd also like to call up Mr. Colonel Leonard, please. Dear Mrs. Nakis, honor buckle is the highest gift of honor that a civilian can give to someone who has served our country or community, either in the military, law enforcement, or firefighting. This honor buckle has been given to you in memory and honor of your son Nathan. Anyone who has served in the United States military has 2 things in common with all others who have served our great country. We all raised our right hand and took an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States and for all it stands for, even to the point of defending it with our lives. And second, we were all issued a dog tag, the one thing that clearly identifies each person who has served. Each dog tag represents a life story. The honor buckle was given on behalf of Oasis Business Machines in Burlington, Washington. They fully understand the words love, sacrifice, and freedom. Please wear it or display it in a way so others may see and also come to understand the true meaning of these words. Nathan represented all that is great in our country. The pride and devotion to our flag and what it represents will never be forgotten by men and women such as your son. Our founding fathers would appreciate all that he and so many others have given to ensure that everyone understands that freedom is not free. Your sacrifice is recognized, respected, and honored by those who understand this. No greater love exists than to give your life for your fellow man. Those who honor God, He will honor. My deepest sympathy for a fallen hero. All of us veterans have given something, but so few have paid the ultimate sacrifice and gave all. We will always remember that Nathan stood for love, sacrifice, and freedom. May God bless you.